Today we're going to be installing this farm jack into the back of my Ford F-150. So this jack measures right at 51 inches. That's the short bed truck. I'm going to hook it up right here. My truck came with these little handles, but we'll get rid of them and install the farm jack. Alright, let's talk tools and parts real quick. So I got this mounting plate. Good old Amazon special. You're gonna need, let's see. First of all, it's a T30 Torx bit to get those mounting plates off of the vehicle. Or if you don't have those, you're gonna need a T30 to put them in initially. Those are non-threaded. The screws cut their own threads as you go by. The hardware is just a 1/4-20 half-inch bolt with a washer, a little bit of Loctite for that guy. A couple drill bits, some kind of a small pilot drill bit, a number 7 or 13/64 for the final, 7/16 wrench, center punch, of course a tab holder, a hammer, and a drill. Alright, so this is usually an accessory you can buy. Mine just had it, so we'll get rid of this guy here. Take a T15 Torx bit number 15, take these screws out. Alright, so all these trucks I believe come with the mounting surface in the bed. You can just buy these plates unless you already have them. I think dealership about 50 bucks. We're gonna drill and tap these plates real quick and get the farm jack installed. Alright, so this is the kit that I bought on the old Amazon. 20-25 bucks. I'll drop a link down below. So I marked everything off. I pre-drilled my holes. I'm just gonna put 1/4-20 inch bolts through it. It's gonna be installed just like that. That's the top if you're looking up, and we'll bolt it up to the truck. Yeah, these are pretty hard, so it's good idea to pre-drill them with a smaller bit before you go to your number 7. So a semi-professional, not professional pro tip here. Whenever you're cutting threads, go about a quarter turn, half a turn in, and then go back just a little bit, just enough to break that chip, so that way you don't get everything bound up and snap a tap, because that would be annoying. Now nothing here is really critical. If you're close enough, it'll work. Getting these things started can be a pain in the butt sometimes. Just take your time. You want to be as straight as you can. Otherwise, it's just gonna break. If you do anything off, the tap breaks. Sometimes a little bit of downward pressure helps. Just keep everything aligned. Nice thing about doing threaded bolts into here is we don't need to worry about the clearance on the back side. We don't need to put a wrench back there. Once everything's mounted to the truck, everything happens right here on the face. Alright, so with my kit, one plate had like a double slot on the back, the other one was just a single. Since the head of my farm jack will be towards the rear of the vehicle, I'm going to put the double slot back here. Alright, so now we'll tighten them up with a wrench. They're good and tight and we'll be set. First time you ever put them in, they're going to be really stiff. Like I said, the threads, the screws cut their own threads, so it'll be a little bit tight the first time. Alright, time to put the front piece in now. This is the proper torquing technique. Click. Milwaukee doesn't recommend using this as a wrench, by the way. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing installed. we'll just secure these where they belong and we'll be in business. Sir? Alright, and that's that. Alright, so now the farm jack is here. What you gotta do is put these wing nuts on. It'll hold everything in place. But before we do all that, I figured this handle's probably gonna make a ruckus back here. I just got one of these little keepers. We'll slide that on and everything will be finished. To slide the keeper on, we got to take this little top piece off. Put it back on. It's just a 3/4 inch. The impact is optional. So that's what it looks like when it's all put together. Keeps that handle from bouncing all over the place, making a bunch of racket. Alright, so here's the finished product. The jack is installed. It's nicely tucked out of the way. Looking from it top down, it barely sticks out at all. We've got about 7 inches from right where the mounting location is, so that's good. It's definitely within the, outside of the wheel well area. So everything held up real good. It's solid in place, shouldn't have any problems. But if anything breaks or lets go or malfunctions, I'll update this video. Thanks for watching.